In this question, the set of all values of x which satisfies the inequation mod of 1 minus mod x upon 1 plus mod x greater than equals to 1 by 2 is. So हमें इसका इंटरवल फाइंड आउट करना है. हमें दिया है mod of 1 minus mod x upon 1 plus mod x whole mod is greater than equals to 1 by 2. इस मोड को ओपन करेंगे मीन्स सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं एलसीएम लेते हैं. इसका एलसीएम आ जाएगा 1 plus mod x. So this will become 1 plus mod x whole mod minus mod x whole mod. This is equals to 1 greater than, this is greater than equals to 1 by 2. So mod x से mod x cancel out. So this equals to, इसको देख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 plus mod x which is greater than equals to 1 by 2, or we can write it as 2 is greater than equals to 1 plus mod x. So mod x is mod x is less than 2 minus 1 is 1. So if mod x is less than equals to 1, so we can say that x from minus 1 to 1 close bracket minus 1 to 1. So x का इंटरवल क्या आ गया minus 1 to 1. Okay, so value of x satisfying this equation is from minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Okay, x belongs from minus 1 to 1. So which option will be the correct option? Option A will be the correct option, minus 1 to 1. So value of x satisfying this inequation is from minus 1 to 1.